Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest updates on an iconic ride that's been turning heads since its reintroduction. Yep, you guessed it, the Toyota Supra. The current generation of the Toyota Supra has been with us since 2020, and it's been quite a journey. Initially, it came roaring onto the scene with a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine, packing a solid 335 horsepower. Fast forward to 2021, Toyota decided to amp things up a notch, not only boosting the 3.0's power, but also adding a feisty turbo 2.0-liter inline-four engine into the mix, delivering a respectable 255 horsepower. Now, Toyota has made a bold move for the 2025 model year, bidding farewell to the four-cylinder engine. This decision leaves us with the 3.0 and 3.0 Premium as the GR Supra's sole trim options. So what does this mean for Supra enthusiasts?
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to get more videos and auto news. Let's keep it going.
Well, it's going to cost you a bit more to get your hands on a GR Supra now. While the price bump from 2024 to 2025 is a modest $850, the absence of the more affordable four-cylinder means the starting price now sits at $57,345 for the base 3.0 model. The 3.0 premium trim comes in slightly higher at $60,495. However, there's good news for manual transmission lovers. The 6-speed manual is sticking around as a no-cost option alongside the standard 8-speed automatic. Let's talk features. The base 3.0 model comes loaded with power-adjustable seats wrapped in sleek black leather and Alcantara, a 10-speaker audio system, and a sharp 8.8-inch central display. If you opt for the 3.0 Premium, you get even fancier seating choices in either black or hazelnut-colored leather and an upgraded 12-speaker audio system. So, dear viewers, we invite you to advertise your business with us at affordable rates. Partner with our channel to expand your reach. For more information, contact us in the comments or on Instagram. So there you have it. The 2025 Toyota GR Supra is shaping up to be a thrilling ride with its robust 3.0-liter engine, stylish features, and those killer paint options. While it's sad to see the four-cylinder go, the remaining trims promise to deliver the exhilarating driving experience that superfans know and love. If you enjoyed this dive into the Toyota Supra's latest updates, hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on the new lineup. Are you excited about the changes, or do you miss the four-cylinder option? Until next time, tune for more exciting car reviews and updates right here on the channel.